Storm Tracker 7 weather is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Good Wednesday evening to you, Storm Tracker 7 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Booth here. We're starting off with weather alerts to talk about. We have winter weather advisories throughout the entire area going into effect as we head on into the overnight hours, 4 a.m. On Thursday morning until 4 a.m. on Friday morning because snow is on the way. Right now it's 17 degrees. We have real feel temperatures of 6 thanks to those winds out of the west-southwest at 9 miles an hour. And we have seen some breaks in the clouds. Actually, it's partly cloudy right now. Elsewhere, we do have wind chill values near, if not below, 0 out in the northwest, feeling like 7 over in Caldwell, 1 in Cambridge for real feel temperature. It feels like 5 in Steubenville. So, yeah, it's cold out there, and the winds are not helping on that front. You can see on our satellite and radar imagery, not a whole lot happening, just mainly clear to partly cloudy out there. We have had a couple of flurries, a little more cloud cover off to the north, but generally that's moving on out of here, and it does look like we're going to get a chance to stay dry and actually stay partly cloudy to mainly clear for the first part of the overnight before the next batch of snow starts to roll on through here. We'll be tracking some light snow showers, and it looks like they will be affecting that Thursday morning commute. It's really cold out there, actually. Out in Shady Side earlier today, you can see some light flurries falling. You even have some sunshine during that, but notice these large sheets of ice kind of floating out there, known as ice floes, moving their way across the Ohio River. And I have a feeling we're going to see some more of those because I'm tracking the coldest air we've seen in a while. Actually, I was just doing a little bit of research. I've got temperatures below 0 on my 7-day. Last time we were below 0 was December of 2022. You might remember that snowstorm that came through here right before Christmas. That's the last time we were that cold, at least last time we were below 0. As we head on through Thursday, light accumulating snow will return to the tri-state. We move on into Friday. We have near average highs. They start to return on Friday afternoon as we see the jet stream, that storm track that kind of separates cold air to the north from warmer air to the south, that starts to push up over us, and actually it's going to steer some rain our way. We're even warmer on Saturday, but do not get used to it because another blast of Arctic air to the northwest, that's going to swing through here during the second half of the weekend. And again, we're going to start out the work week next week with the coldest air we've seen in quite some time. So here's a look at your Storm Tracker 7 predictor. Mainly clear to partly cloudy as we head through the first part of the evening and overnight hours. Those clouds really build, though, heading towards daybreak, and we track the chance for maybe a flurry or two by 4:30 tomorrow morning, but it looks like the bulk of the snow starts to roll in after 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. And yes, we are looking at some light snow by 7 a.m. Some of you leaving for work at that point. Pushes ahead towards 9:30. Some of y'all leaving for work at that point. Still dealing with snow. And you can see we have that snow around till about lunchtime. We start to see it's not quite as widespread, and it looks like that's kind of what we deal with into the afternoon. It won't be as widespread, but in and out of some snow bursts here and there as we head on through the afternoon, tapering off to flurries through the evening and into the overnight hours tomorrow. Friday, starting out not quite as chilly. We still have partly cloudy skies as we get on into Friday afternoon, and it looks like we will be back near average by Friday afternoon. The major impact from this next weather maker, snow, wind, and the cold, medium impacts from that. We don't get a ton of snow, but right now it's looking like we will see roughly 1 to about 3 inches across the area. By lunchtime, about an inch, but an additional inch or so through the afternoon. So about 1 to 3 for most of us. A few spots maybe a little less, and a couple spots here or there, possibly a little more. But bottom line, the timing of this not the best. They're going to be hitting during the commute. Breezy out there, so watch out for blowing and drifting snow tomorrow. A high of 30 with snow showers. We're back up to 36 on Friday. Rain over to a mix late in the day on Saturday, but we hit 41. A little breezy through the weekend. Some snow showers late in the day on Sunday into early Monday. The bigger story, that Arctic air mass. We have temperatures starting out below 0 on Tuesday and Wednesday mornings. Monday afternoon and Tuesday, we're going to struggle to get to 10 degrees. We're back up to 20 degrees by Wednesday.